Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to trade Forex on Thinkorswim. First, log in to the Thinkorswim website using your account credentials. Enter your username or ID and your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you will see the main layout of the platform. To start trading, go to the Trade section on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you need to find the symbol for the currency pair you want to trade because Forex trades are always in pairs. For example, if you type USD, you will see several available options, such as USD and Swiss franc, USD and Japanese yen, and USD and Canadian dollar. These are the currency pairs currently available to me. The available options may vary for you depending on the time or your account setup. You can also search for other currencies, such as EUR for euros or GBP for British pounds, depending on which Forex pair you want to trade. As you can see, there are multiple Forex options available. You just need to know the symbol for the currency pair you want. Once you type in the symbol, click on it to select it. This will bring up the specific Forex pair you want to trade. From here, you can start trading by using the buy and sell buttons. And that's it! You're now ready to trade Forex on Thinkorswim. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.